Hello guys, today I have got the JBL Xtreme 5 speaker and I'm going to show you how you can easily install and set up the application for your speaker in your iPhone. At first open the App Store and then head over to the search. In the search, in this search you need to type JBL Portable and then tap search. As you guys can see here, I've got this JBL Portable application. It's installed on my device, so let me quickly uninstall it to show you the process of the installation. So as you guys can see here, I've got this cloud. You should see here get button, and if you tap this get button, you'll have to authorize yourself using the Face ID, Apple ID password, or the Touch ID, of course depending on the device you install it on. So after you have this authorization, after this process, you should see this circle, and that your download is processed. Download has started. Now you need to wait till you have this application. I've got very bad internet in my recording box, so you need to just wait a little longer. You can just skip this. Now let's tap open and wait, yes, and watch the intro. That's the intro to our app. We need to tap get started, accept, here allow, and now if you want notifications you can tap allow, but I will tap don't allow, and now here we are done. Goodbye.